Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Oracle Healer here with another unboxing video slash flip through. Today we are going to be unboxing the Cozy Witch Tarot deck here by Amanda Lovelace? Lovelace? I don't know. Hopefully I'm not butchering that. Such a beautiful deck. I've had this one in my cart for quite some time and I'm so excited that I'm finally gonna have it in my collection. Now we're going to be going through the book and going through all of the cards in this deck as well. So this deck here consists of 78 cards and a guidebook that comes with 128 pages, which, like I said, we are going to be flipping through. And this is just everything that it says in the back. And I'm gonna zoom you in so we can go ahead and jump into it. Okay. Really nice quality, by the way, I can tell. Here's the book. Oh, how cute. Okay. And this book is in black and white. So it does talk about reversals in here. It goes over the suits, some major arcana. It even comes with some spreads as well. Deck interview spread. We have, what else? A daily 1 card pull, which I feel like most guidebooks have. Daily 3 card spread. Weekly spread, storybook spread, cozy night in spread. How cool. Okay, and then you go into the major arcana, so that's all here. And I've heard other people say as well that I feel like it's, yeah, so this book or this deck goes with its own kind of it doesn't go with the traditional tarot, I believe, is what I hear a lot of other tarot readers say. So I'm really excited to learn this whole deck here. But yeah, this is the book here and this is the back. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the cards because I am excited. Just going to cut this seal here. I'm gonna make sure this is in focus as much as I can while I'm flipping through. Well, I think I can just peel that off, but it's kind of hard to do that with nails, you know. So this is the back. We have our pentacles, our swords, our wands with the fire, and our cups, which are little coffee cups. That is the cutest thing. I love that. I do want to say that the cards they don't feel flimsy. Okay, it's like, it's really good high quality cards. They feel really good. They feel really like nice. I feel like compared to, which deck is it? The Modern Witch Tarot deck. Let me bring it out because I want to show you what I'm talking about. So if you're someone who owns the Modern Witch Tarot deck, you would know that these cards, they're a lot like thicker, or they have like a hard gloss on the outside. I'm not really good explaining it like what materials or what or like what kind of, you know, what it's made out of. But this one, if you own this deck, I will say that the Modern Witch is a lot sturdier and thicker of a card compared to this one. Now, I do love my Modern Witch Tarot deck, but I feel like because it's a lot harder material, when it comes to shuffling, it's really hard. Like, you really have to bend them and break them in. But I feel like I could give this like a good shuffle. I'm not going to do that right now because we're going to go through them. It will shuffle really nice because it bends a lot easier. Everyone's different with their cards. If you're someone who really wants a deck that'll keep in shape its form, or that's going to take you longer to break it in, because I feel like breaking it in is like inevitable, you know, like the cards are eventually going to fold. Or if you're someone who just like doesn't care and you're looking for a good easy shuffle when you bend it, I feel like this is a really good, see how easy it bends. Good material for that. Okay, sorry. Let's jump into it. We're starting with the major arcana first. So we have the Cozy Witch here resembling the Fool card. And it looks like they all have a little description in the bottom as well. Which I actually, I kind of appreciate when cards have that. Sometimes. I love the illustration on this. It feels so smooth. Oh, she has little cards, her little crystals. Our High Priestess here. These are so cute. Oh, look at the chariot here. What a cute little bike. This is like, well, it's cozy. It says cozy tarot deck. It's like Cozy Witch. Works at a coffee shop. As aesthetic, warm aesthetic. I love it. Oh, she has a little sweatshirt on. Solitary Witch. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. The good luck charm. That is so cute. We have Justice. There's our little scale there. The Patient Witch. Yeah, so see, it does have like some from the regular tarot, and then it has its own version. Like we have Broom here. Here we do have Temperance. Toxic Witches. Oh, I cannot wait to use this deck. I am so excited. Ooh, look at our Tower card. It's like a tree house. Not the tree house. So we are now in our Cups suit. Now all of the people in this deck are women, are some feminines. Look at that cute van. She's living the van life. Oh, we got a little rainbow back here. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Oh. We are now in our Pentacles suit. I'll be doing a size comparison, by the way, with a few other decks of cards that I have, just for anyone who's interested. These cards do feel nice in the hand. They're not like overly big. I'll show you what I mean. Plant shop. Look at all those kitties. Thanks for supporting local witches. We are now in our sword suit here. Look at that. I love how this feels. I wish I was better at describing what this is, but it probably says on the back of the book, but oh, I just saw this says Indecisive Witch. It has almost like a matte finish instead of glossy. But it still feels really nice. My camera's running out of battery. Let me go ahead and get a new battery pack before we jump into our last suit, which is wands. We are now in our wands suit here. A good coven lets every witch have a say. This one says, you're kind of a big deal, so start acting like it. I love that. Okay, so that is the flip through of all of the cards. I'm gonna do a little bit of some a size comparison to some other decks that I have, just for anyone who's curious. I feel like a common deck that most people have is this Moonology one, this Oracle deck here. I'm just grabbing a few cards. to compare. So it's almost the same. There's like a little bit of a gap there. Yeah, see, it's really easy to bend this deck here, these cards. Yeah, I like that a lot. But yeah, that's everything for this unboxing slash flip through for the Cozy Witch tarot deck here. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see future unboxing videos like this one, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. I do more than just unboxing videos. I do pick up readings, candle X readings, charm readings. If you're interested in seeing any of that, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that way you do get notified anytime I do post a new reading or a new video. I'll see you all on my next one, sending you love and light. Bye.